Okay, so we are working out with I'm gonna see if I can go sell them at my local. All right, y'all, so here's some of the vintage pieces. The Slamma Ding Dong hoodie. I'm not sure if they're gonna take that. I just pulled out some old vintage inventory that I had. They're good pieces. They just been listed for a while, and instead of relisting them, I'm gonna see if I can go sell them at my local buy sell trade store. I didn't pay any more than like 25-50 cents for these items, so it really doesn't matter. But I do have some pieces that I know I could sell if I just relisted them, so I am gonna see what I get for them before I actually sell them, because I'm looking to get at least like 15 to 20 bucks for some of these like jeans and bags and things of that nature. So let's see. So here's some of the vintage pieces that I went and pulled out. I have this Polo Ralph Lauren messenger bag. I actually bought that at Goodwill the other day. They were having a 75% on sale, so I think I paid like $4 or $5 for that. I have this Looney Tunes backpack right here. I have a few that's not vintage, but it's like a colorful two-piece set, and that's, you know, in the vintage realm. I mean, just that style is what they like. I have this vintage dress right here. I'm going to just like leave some of this stuff in packaging, but I have this vintage MLK hoodie in mint condition, a pair of vintage Wrangler and Levi jean shorts, some vintage Lee jeans, some vintage Jeanology jeans, the Slamma Ding Dong hoodie. I'm not sure if they're going to take that, but it's cool, so we'll just see. I have this Nautica sweater here. I've been having that for a while, but we'll just see what they give us for that. And then these maneuver jeans right here, and this is a really dope color, so I feel like they'll price this pretty high since it's pretty rare, you know what I'm saying? Anything I get is going to be a good profit, but they pay 40% of what they sell it for, so I'm thinking that I can clear 100 with these items right here, but we will see. Or maybe 80 to 100, and I'll take 80 for these items because I've been having a lot of them online for a while. So. All right, guys, so here's the bag that I bought last time, and I got it pretty empty. I saw some of the other stuff at a different store, so we're just gonna go back through the bag, put some stuff in there, and then add the new stuff that I pulled the other day. This is a vintage silk tee. It's a little spot at the shoulder, but I'm gonna just slip that back in the back anyway. I'm gonna slip this J. Crew in here, and the only reason I put that J. Crew in there is because it's sequins on it, so I feel like that's kind of retro-y style type. This vintage Nike skirt, and they probably won't take that either. This vintage dress right here, and so we have this Tootie Bird backpack. They might want me to take everything out the bag. I just don't really want to. I'm gonna ask them first if they take bags, because I just don't remember seeing these before. I unpacked my stuff and had a waist bag. This Polo Ralph Lauren Polo Jeans Co. messenger bag. It's floral, colorful floral two-piece set, a vintage floral dress. And I'm not even counting. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 2 pairs of shoes. So that's 13 items so far. 15, 16, Wrangler, Levi's, and Lee. So I said 16 items, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 items. So I think that's all I'm gonna go ahead and bring in today. I have some other stuff that I brought last time, but I'm just gonna wait on that. I'm gonna wait on that and bring it next time. Okay, so we are working out with $108. I don't feel like that was bad. I actually was able to bring it up like $4. Like $4. So by telling him that I felt like a little more too low, he raised the prices by a couple of dollars. Looking at the Lee jeans that I gave them, because they were like in mint condition, I want to say put them at like $25 or something like that. But he raised it to like $29. The vintage MLK hoodie that I gave them, they priced that one at 40 something. I feel like that was a little low. But then when I backtracked to how much they charge for some of their denim jackets, they like 50, 60 bucks. So I guess that wasn't too bad. All in all, I got rid of some inventory and got $100 to buy more stuff. That's how you just get rid of some of your inventory. And this is a vintage store. They have many other buy sell trade stores. This is Pavement Clothing in Houston, so I don't think that they have them anywhere else. But you also have Plato's Closet, Encore, Style Encore, whatever it's called, Crossroads Trade-In. Those are a few, but with those, I think that they only give 30%, and their prices are cheaper. Given that this stuff is vintage, it's priced just a little bit more than what they sell in the other stores. I might do a video comparing those stores and just letting you know the difference between the stores, because they are different. So if you have like a bunch of clothes, you're going to want to break them down and separate them to get them off easier, because they are all different styles. They take different type of stuff. So I might do a video. So if you're interested in a video, comment down below and let me know, and I'll do a video on that. Like, I feel like I could have got maybe about $10 more, but again, it's $10. It wasn't, I could have pressed a little bit more, but anyway, guys, that is it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.